In this video, we will be having a discussion regarding the Magento 2 Helpdesk extension. By using this plugin, the admin can able to manage customer queries from a single platform. By using this extension, the admin can able to create support agents and can assign the coming tickets from the customer to those support agents so that they can provide the resolution over the ticket itself. This way, you can provide a better customer support. And before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get more updates. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. As you can see, I have successfully logged into the Magento 2 backend there. Now here I will going to show you how you have to do the initial configuration of the Magento 2 Helpdesk extension. So for this, you just need to navigate into the left navigation, and here you need to navigate into the stores, and after you will need to navigate into the configuration section. After tapping over there, few of the settings will comes up. Here you just need to navigate into the help desk. After tapping over the help desk, you will find the new settings over there, as you can see here over the screen. Help desk settings, ticket status, ticket default settings, ticket view and activity. Here you need to fill out these details to configure the particular extension with your Magento 2. So here I am moving ahead and I will going to show you the steps to configure these settings one by one. As here, first we are moving ahead with the helpdesk settings. First, as you can see here over the screen, we do have an option of ticket system name. From here, admin can write down the name of their help desk which they want to be. Next, we do have an option of ticket system email ID. From here, admin just need to enter the email address from where they can able to send the emails. Next, we do have an option of enter upload file size. From here, admin can able to set the file size as well. Next, we do have an option of login required for ticket creation. From here, admin can enable or disable this particular option. Like if admin want to disable the login, then he or she can able to do by tapping over no option, and if the admin wants the login should be there over the ticket creation, then admin just need to tap over the yes option accordingly. Next, we do have an option of allowed file extension. From here, admin can able to provide or fill out the extension of the files like in the format of JPEG and PNG, etc. Next, we do have an option of enable editor on front. If admin wants to enable the editor, then he or she just need to tap over the yes, and to disable this editor, the admin just need to choose the no option. Next, we do have an option of date format. From here, admin can select the date format as well as from the drop down here. Next, we do have an option of customer can delete ticket. If admin wants to select this option, like customer is having authority to delete the particular ticket, then admin just need to tap over the yes option, and to disable this, admin just need to tap over the no option accordingly. Next, we do have an option of customer can close tickets. If admin wants to provide this permission to the customers, then admin can able to choose the yes option from the drop down there. Next, we do have an option of priority on ticket creation page. If admin wants to display the priority, either it is high, low, medium, etc., then admin can just need to tap over the yes option from here, and if admin do not want to reflect this particular priority on the ticket view, then admin just need to tap over the no option accordingly. Next, we do have an option of status on ticket creation page. Same it goes for the status as well. Like if admin wants to display the ticket status over the ticket creation page, then admin just need to tap over yes from here. Next, we do have an option of group on ticket creation page. If admin wants that group should be reflected over the ticket page, then admin just need to tap over the yes, and if admin wants to disable the same, then admin just need to tap over the no option accordingly. Next, we do have an option of customer can delete on thread. Like if the admin wants to provide this privilege to the customer, like the customer is having authority to delete a particular thread, then he or she just need to tap over the yes option. After tapping over yes, the customer will have authority to delete their thread as well. Next, we do have an option of customer can add CC. If admin wants to provide this permission to the customers, like customer is having authority to add a CC, then admin just need to tap over the yes option, and if admin wants to disable this particular feature, then admin just need to tap over the no option. So after filling out the required details, admin just need to tap over the save configurations, and accordingly these settings will be saved. After tapping over there, a successful message will also appear, like you saved the configuration section. Next, we are moving ahead and have a look over the ticket status. As you can see here, we do have an option of ticket open. From here, admin can select any of the option. Like if admin wants to display the new, pending, resolved and closed status type as well, then admin just need to choose any one of them, and it will going to appear over the ticket view. Next, the admin can able to also choose the ticket status as well. Like you can see here over the screen, new tickets, pending, resolved, closed and spam from the drop down there. Next, here admin just need to choose the ticket pending as a pending. Next, we do have an option of ticket solved. From here, admin can select the particular type for that particular ticket solved. Like as we have here we have selected the resolve. You can able to do the same as per your own convenient. And for the ticket closed status type, admin as I have chosen here the closed status, you can choose your own as well. And for the ticket spam, you just need to tap over the spam option. These are the ticket status type which you need to select, and these will be going to appear over the ticket view itself. Coming next, we do have an option of ticket default settings. So let's have a look. In the ticket default settings, we do have multiple options like ticket default status, ticket type, group and priority. From here, admin can set the default settings as well over the ticket, like what features you are providing in the default ticket view. Like from here, I have selected open. You can select your default setting as per your own convenient from the drop down there. Next, we do have an option of default ticket type. What ticket type you want to reflect over the particular ticket view. Like the default functionality I have chosen here, the questions, you can choose your own as per your own convenient. Next, we do have an option of to choose the default group. As from the drop down, you can choose or set the default group as well. And next, you can also set the default priority from the drop down there. Likewise, you can choose the default settings and you can able to set these settings as per your own requirement. Next, moving ahead, we do have an option of ticket view. From here, the admin can able to set the ticket thread limit as well. Next, we do have an option of draft saving time. From here, admin can also able to set the saving time. If you are having a message in the draft, then you can set the timing over there. Accordingly, it will going to perform actions over the ticket view itself. Next, we do have an option of lock view time as well. From here admin can able to set the lock view time. Next we do have an option of lock expire time. From here admin can also select or choose the lock expiry time as well over the ticket view itself. Coming next, we do have an option of activity, and here as you can see here over the screen, we do have an option of activity limit dashboard. From here admin can select the set the limit, like what activity should be going to appear over the dashboard there, or regarding the action performed by agents over the ticket and regarding the ticket status as well. So from here admin just need to set the limit, and accordingly it will going to appear the activity over the dashboard there. From here next we do have an option of general activity. From here admin can select all of them, or admin can select any one of them, and this will going to appear over the activity section as well, like what activities admin wants should be displayed over the dashboard itself. You can choose any one of them, like if you want to display the agent activity, then you just need to tap over there, and likewise you can, if you want all of them should be appear, then you can select all of them as well. Next we do have an option of activity priority on delete, like what activity you want to perform after deleting the particular ticket, then you can select any one of them from the drop down there. Next we do have an option of activity priority on add, like what actions you want to perform by adding a priority, as you can select the same from the drop down there. Next we do have an option of activity priority on edit, like what action you want to perform on the edit option, like on the activities itself, then you can choose the same from the drop down there. So after filling out these details, you just need to tap over the save configuration options, and accordingly you will get a pop-up like you saved the configuration successfully. So this is all about the initial configuration of the Magento 2 Helpdesk plugin. So this is all about the initial configuration of the Magento 2 Helpdesk extension. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. I hope you liked our video. If so, then please give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching out this video today. Have a great day ahead.